welcome to a new vlog. We're on our way to Lourdes. This is somewhere along Rufino, Makati. It's just gonna be a pampering session before I go to work, so I'll take you with me. And right when you get off the elevator, you turn right and you will see Lourdes High Chair, Bottega de Barberia. So you have all the services being given here, and then there are also rates. Grabe, para siyang bar. May happy hour din siya. I love the place. It's so cozy. And of course, si Lourd, of course. I love your name.
Thank you, the Lord is with you.
Literal.
Literal, diba? Okay. The Lola Lord is with you. Yun yung card natin. Oh my
So
God.
see, hi! The place is super nice. Hello!
We give you peppermint for the scalp. And they will give you the vegetarian miracle.
Yes!
And then nourishing pa. Para
mabuhay.
And then in the lababo, I'll try to tone this with little silvery gray.
Yay! I love.
It's time to pamper. And then if you want a foot spa also, you can have it.
Grabe naman. Pwede naman din mo matulog dito.
Pwede matulog. Actually, yung bed na, yung bed, yung chair talagang
joke lang.
Nahihiga talaga siya. Actually, a lot of men and women sleeps here, honestly.
Kasi siguro it's comfortable.
Yes, yes. And they like the massage. Okay, my team will prepare you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Lourd. I got Lourd's book, his very first book. It's a celebration of his existence for 18 years in the business. And I'm just having, I think this is liver spread and bread and some merlot. Sabay kami nagba-vlog nila kuya. Yun. First, we're gonna wash my hair.
This is the Nunu pack, which is silk flex also. So this will repair your hair also. And then this will relax your scalp. And then we'll do the toner after.
Okay.
Yay! I'm excited for that.
Me too.
Sige, matulugin niyo siya.
Para mag-isip.
Okay.
Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on.
Ay, ako din naman kasi silver din ako eh.
Oo.
So, na yung patayan talaga ng
Is that your favorite? Silver.
Thank you for visiting me.
Thank you for the invite. I love the color.
Thank you.
Grabe, I love my hair. It's so soft. It's so soft. And I love the color. It's so subtle.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone.
I'm having the bread with cheese and I think it's corned beef or liver spread. And a little bit of wine. Hi Mitch! Say hi to my vlog, Mitch! Hello, thank you for the invite. There's just so much fun. So we're gonna do a quick interview. Ayan, meron tayo microphone. And si Kuya, hello! Hi everyone! I'm with Lord Ramos today and he did my hair. He colored my hair and gave me a bob and some hair treatment. Thank you, I love it.
I Thank you also.
What would you tell those who are aspiring hairstylists? Kahit 3 top
Sige.
tips.
Discipline, dreams, and implementation. Discipline kasi I think I will not be here for 18 years kung wala akong discipline. If I party to that, then I'm dead. Dreams. You have to have an ambition and a dream. Anong klase ka bang hairstylist? Etchos hairstylist.
Oh my God, my class of hairstylist.
Etchos hairstylist ka ba? Or hairdresser hairstylist ka? Or fantasy hairdresser ka? So you need to identify. And then next, yung tinatawag, implementation. How can you be a hairdresser if you don't know anything? So you have to educate yourself, continuous education pa din, and walang katapos ng education. Kahit ayaw mo na, bibigay, kailangan mo rin like next year, I'm gonna go to school again. The next quarter again, and the next quarter again. So
Is that how you keep yourself updated?
Yes, because halimbawa, like you're a YouTuber and then you're a influencer. So you need to get something out of you. You need to be inspired.
Right.
You need to get information. This is the new fashion trend. This is the new trend. So, pero how can she get something from me if I don't know anything? So continuous. Those are the 3 aspirants, and I think I would say also that sa mga nandito na. So keep it that way.
So here I have your very first book. It's called Imprint, of course, by Lourd. Can you tell us a little bit about it? Konting-konti lang.
Okay, Imprint is about the 18-year celebration of my life. I've invited all the people who mattered to me, the one who helped me, the one who hates me, the one who supported me, and fashion-forward people. So it's 18-year celebration. So it's Imprint because I wanted to leave a mark. If I die tomorrow, then you can see something. If I would live more, then you will see more legacy. So it's basically a tribute to everybody. It's for everybody.
Where can we get this?
Soon in bookstores. Very, very soon. I cannot say yet. But they can avail it here in Eton Tower. So what they do is they grab express. And then we deliver it to them. So that's how they... Para mas mabilis. Walang hassle.
So if you can't wait for it to be available in bookstores, you can always order it. Sabi niya in Eton.
Yes. Lourd High Share, Eton Tower.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. I hope you love it.
I love my hair and I love this. Parang nasa 4th page pa lang ako. Pinabasa ko lahat. We're here now at Tutuban Center and it's 11:21 p.m. JM picked me up from work and he just felt like coming here, so here we are. If you didn't know yet, this is open forever. Akala kasi namin dati pang Christmas lang, so it's here forever. Nagpapalit lang ako ng shoes. I was wearing heels earlier. Naka-dress and naka-ID pa ako, diba? Nagpapalit ako ng coat. Kasi masyadong mahaba yung kanina pang office yun. Ay, thank you. Wow. Ito yung ano ko yung go-to coat ko dati. Yan, pwede na tayo maglakad. Kasi hindi na masyadong mahaba yung suot ko. useless stick-ons. And I remember when I was a kid, lagi akong pinapagalitan ng mami ko. Kasi yung tatlong ulo ng wolves, meron ako lagi sa hita ko. And I just got some. I'm planning to make like a makeup video for you na maraming damage.